Hi friends, yesterday we came to Chikkamagalur and stayed in this hotel.
This resort is located in Kaimara near Chikkamagaluru town and is in the middle of a coffee plantation. If you wake up in the morning and walk around in plantation, you will hear sound of so many insects and chirping of birds. Now we are traveling towards Mullayanagiri, which is about 30 km from Chikkamagaluru city. Mullayanagiri is the highest peak of Karnataka, which is around 6,300 feet from sea level. There are coffee plantations on both sides of the road with tall silver trees planted to provide shade for the coffee plants. The pepper creeps on the silver tree. Altogether, it is a treat to watch. Seethalayanagiri is 5 km and Mullayanagiri is 8 km. Our vehicles are allowed only up to Seethalayanagiri. From there we have to take a private jeep. Government has imposed few restrictions in the entry to Mullayanagiri to avoid overcrowding. You have to register at the checkpost. Totally 600 vehicles, which includes bikes, car, TT, bus, are allowed in the morning slot and 600 in the afternoon slot. You have to pay nominal fees. For car it is 100 rupees, TT it is 200 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay. You can also book in advance online. For that, visit the below given website and register. It is better to book in advance if you are coming in weekend or holidays. Otherwise, there is a high chance of disappointment. On the way, you can see so many streams of water flowing down the hill. In these streams, water flows throughout the year. Have you ever thought from where this water flows from? What is the source for it? The answer is, in the rainy season, most of the rainwater on the hill flows down immediately. But the remaining water accumulate in the cracks of rock and in the layer of water carrier called aquifer, like sand, gravel and small stones. And water oozes out from there and form the stream. Now we have reached Seethalayanagiri. As I mentioned earlier, we have to go by jeep to Mullayanagiri from here. Before that, let's take a look at the Seethalayanagiri in some details. This is also a peak and has a good viewpoint. This is Seethalayanagiri Swamy temple. This Sita is nothing to do with Sita from Ramayana. Sita in Kannada is cold area or wet. The area around the Shivalinga of the temple is always moist and wet. Hence the name Seethalayanagiri Swamy temple. The water that originates here flows beneath and joins the nearby well. Ganga Puja and Kalasha Puja are performed there. This temple, which is more than 500 years old, was renovated in 2016. Every year in March on the full moon day of Holi, the Girija Kalyanotsava is celebrated. Now we are going towards Mullayanagiri in jeep. It is crowded only in weekend and holidays, otherwise it will be less only. Usually people from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and other states comes in groups of 600 to 700 on package. Each will be charged 5,000 rupees. In that, they provide 3 times food, accommodation and sightseeing of Seethalayanagiri, Mullayanagiri and Baba Budangiri. DJ and campfire will also be arranged. We have reached the base of Mullayanagiri. If you want to eat, you can buy and eat here. In the hilltop, you won't get anything. There are 500 steps. If each step is half feet, total height would be around 250 feet. After reaching certain height and look back, people at the base would look very small. Look at her. Even though got hurt, she has not stopped climbing. We have to appreciate her strong will. Look at this cow. Did they climb all the steps and reach here? What if they slip in the steep hill? The cool breeze is very pleasant. Sun is totally covered by the clouds. The fog is so thick that you cannot see even the village there. temple. If you go a little further, there is a cave where Mullappa Swamy was doing penance. Cave become narrower and narrower as we go inside. No. At a certain point, I realized that I may not be able to go further. I took the help of boys playing outside.
Hey, can you
One
help me
among
out?
them took the
You have to
camera
go
and
inside
went
and
inside.
take the shot and come. I cannot go deep inside.
What angle?
You go inside deep.
Okay.
You go with the camera and come back.
Yeah, sure.
It's inside is too deep.
It's
You
on?
go- yeah, it's on. You go as much as possible.
It's the end here. Yeah, sure. It's the end here.
End of the cave was not so far. He came back.
Yeah.
It's still going inside, huh?
No. That much only.
That's end, huh?
Yeah.
Different idols of God were worshipped on either side of the steps. After seeing this cow, I realized that these cows belongs to the temple. Sri Guru Melugaddige Mullappa Swamy Mutt. It is about 6,300.17 feet above sea level. No one should climb to the peak. They have hosted Kannada flag because of Rajyotsava. Rajyotsava is celebrated in Karnataka throughout the month of November to commemorate the formation of the Karnataka state. You have to enter the premises of temple barefooted. You should be careful on the sharp stones. It is said that Mullappa Swamy attained Samadhi while performing penance here. Look at the panoramic view from the top of a wall here. This is the Shiva Mandir. I spoke to the assistant Purohit Naveen. He said the Mullappa Swamy attained Samadhi here about 800 years back.
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇದು ಮುಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಂತ ಲಿಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ರು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ?
Every March, the idol of God taken down to Seethalayanagiri for the Girija Kalyanotsuva in procession.
ಜೀವಂತ ಸಮಾಧಿ ಅದು ಅದೇನಾ ಇದಿರೋದು? ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ
ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಈ ಸರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಮಾರ್ಚ್
ಒಂದೆರಡು
ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 12 ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸೀತಾಳಂಗಿರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದೇವ್ರು ಹೋಗೋದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದೇವ್ರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ? ತೆಗೀರಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ನವೀನ್ ಅಂತ.
ನವೀನ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಚಕರಾಗಿ?
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಿವಶಂಕರಯ್ಯ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಂ. ನೀವು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಅರ್ಚಕ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
13 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಮುಜರಾಯಿ ಇಲಾಖೆದ?
ಮುಜರಾಯಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದು
thick fog and cold wind outside the temple. Watching in mobile or laptop is not enough. You should come here and experience this. Few people already getting ready to dance for the reels. Here another person already dancing in front of the camera. Life is truly beautiful. You just have to learn how to celebrate it.